Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we will show how to create a domain by importing a CSV file. Let's get started. First, select a project and project version within the project dashboard. For this example, we will be selecting sample project and using its default project version. Within the domains pane, expand the new domain drop-down menu and then select Import from CSV. Enter a name for the new domain. For this example, we will enter user. Next, select a delimiter from the drop-down menu. This is the delimiter that is used within the CSV file that will be imported. For this example, we will select comma. Click on Choose File to browse to and select a CSV file on your local computer. The name of the file will appear to the right of the Choose File button. Once finished, click Save. Next, a generator type will need to be selected from the drop-down menu. When importing a CSV file, data can be generated in one of three ways. These options are dynamic data from CSV, static data from CSV, and synthetically generated. When the dynamic data from CSV option is selected, data will be loaded dynamically from the CSV when a scenario is run. This option should be used for files with 16 or more lines of data. A file name and file path must be provided. When the static data from CSV option is selected, data within the CSV is statically loaded when the scenario is run. This option can only be used for CSV files with 15 or less lines of data. The third option is synthetically generated. With this option, a generator will be automatically assigned to each attribute within the domain. Data will be synthetically generated for each attribute. For this example, we are using a CSV file with only 10 lines of data. We will choose static data from CSV. Next, select the attributes within the domain that data will be generated for. You can select individual attributes by clicking on each checkbox. Or you can use the checkbox at the top to select all attributes within the domain. Once finished, click Save. You will be redirected to the domain dashboard. Here, you can see our domain, which is the user domain, and each of the attributes that were created for the domain. You can also see a preview of the data at the bottom of the domain dashboard. If we select an attribute, first name, for example, and scroll down to the bottom of the attribute dashboard, you will see that the list gen generator has been assigned to this attribute. Within the list parameter, you will see 10 first names. If we open the CSV file and look at the first name for each line of data, you will see that it matches each first name displayed within the list parameter. If we return to the project dashboard, you will also see the user domain within the domains pane. This concludes our tutorial on importing a CSV file. Thank you for watching.